Look what came in the mail while I was gone. A mower. Let's see what we got. This awful little box for a lawnmower. It was an awful cheap lawnmower though. Look at it. Looks cool. Let's see what we got. Let's open this up. Okay, there's the handle. And here's the mower. There it is. Holy cow, that lawnmower is tiny. That thing is really tiny. That'll work good though for this little yard. Let's see what's on the bottom. Look at that little, ooh, that's sharp. Wow, that little blade is sharp. Hopefully it runs good. It's a cool little mower. I like it. Guess I better read the directions. A lot of nothing here. So I assume that's gonna go there. This one will go here. These ones go here. Let's put this on. The handle on. Something's not right. Alright, so I've got the lawnmower all set up. It's all together. This is the coolest little mower. It just looks like a little toy. So it's got an adjustment here, so you can just lower the whole thing clear right down to the ground, or you can pull it up and it just comes up almost by itself. Looks pretty cool. Let's try it out. I ran the mower around and mowed it, and man, I really like this little mower. It is awesome. Parts of this is real wet and real thick, and as long as you slow down a little bit, it just went right through it real nice. The bag seems to work really good. It catches the stuff. It hasn't plugged up or nothing. I don't know, I just like it. But I have learned, this is the first time I've ever used an electric lawnmower. I'll give you a tip. Always start where the cord plugs in and work away from the cord. In other words, like I came up and did my first circle and I was crossing the cord. And that's when I realized, oh, I'm gonna have to start where the cord plugs in and just work my way away from the cord. Then it doesn't work too bad.